I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your footage meets the basic criteria: even-lit green, minimal wrinkles, and 50–60% of frame filled by subject. Once done, import the clip into VN and place it on the timeline. Now tap the clip to open the effects panel and choose Chroma Key. You're setting the stage for keying. Do this early so you can see changes in real time and avoid redoing color correction later. You now sample the green using the key color picker, then adjust tolerance until most green is removed but the subject remains intact. Next, refine edges. Increase smooth to reduce noise, use edge feather for soft transitions, and apply spill suppression to remove green cast from hair or edges. If clothing or props are keyed out, add a mask to protect them. Make small, incremental adjustments. This prevents halos and keeps skin. Finish by importing your background image or video and placing it beneath the keyed clip, then match scale and position so perspective looks natural. Render a short preview to check edges and color match. If the subject looks off, use color correction to match temperature and exposure. If you see green fringing, lower tolerance slightly and increase spill suppression. If parts disappear, refine the mask. These final tweaks lock the composite and prevent obvious seams in the finished export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.